When your prototype needs to fit within 50 microns and survive actual mechanical loads, your printer choice isn't about hype, it's about repeatability under stress. We tested the top engineering-focused machines in 2026, and 3 stood out. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon takes best overall. It uses closed-loop motion control to correct for belt stretch in real time, plus active chamber heating for warping-prone materials like nylon and polycarbonate. We printed 20 identical PA12 gears and saw variance under 0.03 millimeters. That's production-level consistency at $1,200. For open-source workflows, the Prusa MK4S delivers loadcell bed leveling that compensates for thermal expansion during the first layer, critical for large flat parts. No chamber means you're limited to PETG and lower-temp nylons, but you get full firmware control and compatibility with any slicer. If you're running actual production batches, the Ultimaker S5 adds dual extrusion, validated material profiles, and built-in filtration. It's the reliability pick when downtime costs real money. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.